Hi friends, today we'll discuss few more important banking exam questions and answers with explanation. So, what is meant by standing instructions in banking? Schedule payment for fund transfer. So, money will be transferred from one account to another account in fixed intervals. Transfer of fixed money and in fixed intervals from one account to another account is called standing instruction. What is meant by spread in banking? Interest rate difference is called spread. This is income for bank. So, for the bank, interest will be paid on the deposits and interest will be collected on the loans. The difference will be the spread for the bank and profit for the bank. Difference between the interest rate that a bank charges a borrower and the interest rate bank pays on a deposit, the difference is called spread. What is meant by overdue deposit? A term deposit which is not either closed or renewed on a maturity date. So on maturity date, there is no instructions from the customer whether we have to renew or close and transfer to his account, then it will become a overdue deposit. A term deposit which is not either closed or renewed for a further period on the date of maturity automatically becomes an overdue deposit. What is meant by DEAF scheme? Depositor Education and Awareness Fund Scheme. This was established by Reserve Bank of India in 2014 for the promotion of depositors' interest and any other related purposes. So all the overdue deposits will be moved to DEAF fund scheme. Why DEF scheme is required? Unclaimed deposit will be moved to DEF fund. Bank account remains inoperative for a period of 10 years. The money can be transferred to DEF fund. So on maturity, you have not received any instructions, then it will become a overdue. After 1 year, it will become inoperative account. If account is inoperative for 10 years, then it will be moved to DEF fund. What is meant by FLC, foreign letter of credit? What is meant by contingent liabilities? Liability which may arise in future. So liability may not arise in future. What is meant by currency chest? Reserve Bank of India stocks the money meant for banks and ATMs. So these chests are usually situated on the premises of different banks but administered by RBI. These are cash pooling points. So these are like stock, they'll keep the money in currency chest. This currency chest can be maintained by any bank. For example, SBI can maintain one currency chest, Kotak Bank can maintain one currency chest, but all are administered by Reserve Bank of India. These are the cash pooling points. If any bank requires money, they can go to the nearest currency chest and they get the money. If they have excess money in the branch, and they go and deposit in the currency chest also. What is meant by lien marking? Bank has frozen the funds for a particular period. So lien marking means you are frozen the funds for a particular period. For example, lien mark for 1 week. Particular amount has been locked by the bank for a specific time. For example, you have a fixed deposit and you have taken a loan. So loan term is 6 months, then lien marking on the deposit will be 6 months only. What is meant by account restrictions? So restriction means freeze transactions. So in restrictions you have two types. Debit restriction means all the debit transactions will be restricted. Credit restriction means all the credit transactions will be restricted. If you say debit and credit transactions, both the transactions will be restricted. What is meant by collateral security of a loan? An asset that a lender accepts as a security for a loan. So customer wants a loan from bank, then customer has to give a asset against the loan. This is called collateral security. So this will give bank a comfortable position. So for example, tomorrow customer is not paid the money, bank will sell the security and they will get back the loan amount. What is meant by co-branded card? Card issued by more than one company. So ICICI Hindustan Petroleum, ICICI Big Bazaar or Standard Chartered Indian Oil Corporation. These are called co-branded cards. Co-branded credit cards are the product of a mutual partnership between the partners, merchants and a card holders. What is meant by hot listing of debit card? Hot listing means blocking the card. Once your card is hot listed, the bank blocks all the transactions which take place use of your card. So you say like hot listed card means you can't do any transaction through hot listed card. What is meant by upfront charges on debit card? Upfront charges means the day of issue. So today if you are issuing a debit card and today you are debiting the customer account with the charges. This is called the upfront charges. Charges collected during the card issue only. What is meant by annual charges? Charges after 1 year. So today I will issue a card. You use the card. After 1 year, bank will charge the annual charges on the debit card. The charges will be collected from the customer account. Charges will be collected after 1 year. Usage of the card. What is meant by out of order for CCOD accounts? So for the CCOD account, out of order means it is like a NPA. No credit continuously for 90 days or credits are not enough to cover the interest debited during the same period. These accounts should be treated as out of order. So CCOD are operating account. So every month bank will be charging interest on these accounts. For the 3 months, 90 days, there is no credit for that account, or if credit is there but credits are not enough to cover the interest debit amount, then these accounts will be classified as out of order accounts. What is meant by NPA? Non-performing asset means there is no performance, there is no recovery from the asset. Asset are all loans are asset. Loan principal or loan interest payment remain overdue for the 90 days, then these account will be classified as non-performing asset. So we have not received any repayment from this account for 90 days, then this is classified as non-performing asset. What is meant by NPA provision? Making a loss on its loans. So provision means some part of the NPA loan amount you are booking as a loss. Booking as a provision means the bank recognize loss on the loan ahead of time. So these provisions will be different from one bank to another bank, one product to another bank. If it is secured loan, percentage will be different. If it is unsecured, then percentage will be different. If it is a vehicle loan, different provisioning. If it is a mortgage loan, different provisioning will be there in the bank. What is meant by information security in banks? Restriction of unauthorized access. So authorized users only can access the banking application. To restrict the unauthorized access, banks should implement information security. Information security, sometimes called as InfoSec, is a set of practice intended to keep data secured from unauthorized access or alternates. What is meant by ALM? Asset liability management. So managing assets and liabilities. For example, a loan is outflow, deposit is inflow. So when deposit maturity, then you should have a inflow also. To match inflow and outflow, we need asset liability management. Match the assets and liabilities. What is meant by loss assets? Loan amount has not been written off wholly. So loss identified but not written off fully. So you identified loss, some percentage of the loan you are booked as a loss, but total entry was not passed. So these are called loss assets. What is meant by loan written off? Book the loss. So total amount you have booked, it may be 20%, 30%, 90% or 100%. You have written off, then you pass the entries. When a bank is not able to recover a loan, then the debit becomes the bad and written off. To clean up the balance sheet and to reduce its tax liability. So when you book a expenditure, automatically your profit will come down. When your profit will come down, then your tax portion will be less. So unnecessarily keeping these NPA accounts in your balance sheet, if you want to clean up your balance sheet, book the loan written off. What is meant by safe deposit lockers? Customers to keep their valuables in a locker. These lockers will be given to the customer and these lockers will be opened with two keys. One key will be with the banker, another key will be with the customer. Whatever the banker holding the key will be called as master key. Safe deposit lockers are the facilities provided by banker to their customers to keep their valuables owned by customers. So here locker will be owned by customer. What is meant by safe custody of documents? So keeping customer documents or other valuables objectives in safe custody. In safe locker, locker will be maintained by the customer, but in safe custody, locker will be maintained bank and customer can give some important document to keep in safe custody. Cash remittance to other branch, transfer of money, cash from one branch to another branch or one bank to another bank is called cash remittance. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.